See, this is the problem. This app is available only for your other device. Okay, how to fix it? First, first tap on the Google Play Store app and now click on I button and scroll down. Now click on the storage option and clear cache and clear data, delete the data. Okay, back and click on the permission option and allow all permission. Contacts allow, back location allow, back microphone allow, back nearby device allow, back notification allow, back phone allow, back SMS allow, back. Okay, back. And second step, now click on the Google Play Store app and now click on the profile icon and click on the manage apps, then click on the use RAM and click on the delete someone apps and click on the delete. Okay, back and then again click on the profile icon and scroll down. Now click on the settings option and click on the about option, scroll down, update Play Store app. My Play Store app already updated. Okay, back and last step, now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone and open your Google Play Store app and search your app. Okay, I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.